guys, it's Katie and welcome back to another vlog on the vlog channel. It is currently November 3rd and it is election day. I don't know whether to say happy election day or not, but I hope everybody who is of age today voted or sent in a ballot, early voted, anything, and you made an educated and informed decision. We need to get our country somewhat on the right track, so I hope you used your American right and did something good for our country. That's besides the point. I don't have school today because I'm pretty sure it's like a national holiday. A lot of people have off, whether it's for work or school. So it's 11:30 right now and I'm currently working on some online history homework. I'm using this day to catch up on a lot of like school stuff that I was either behind in or just to get ahead in school stuff, and I have a math quiz tomorrow that I need to do some studying for. I also need to bake cookies for my culinary class today with Chase, who also takes culinary at my high school, so that'll be fun. Van's also coming over to fix my camera settings. A lot of people ask what kind of camera I film on. This is a Canon M50 and mine's in the white color. I was filming my after school night routine yesterday and the camera settings were all off, so I was like, please help. And I don't know if you guys know this, Van knows like everything about cameras, so he's gonna come over to help me. I think I'm gonna get Chick-Fil-A for lunch because I'm starving and I haven't eaten today, so once I'm done with camera things, some school work, we'll go to Chick-Fil-A. We'll bake some cookies. It's gonna be a fun at-home day. It's also really cold out. Georgia's been getting chilly. Yesterday it was 32 degrees. It's warmed up today, so it's like 50. Oh, it's actually 61, so it's not as bad as it was yesterday, but I'm wearing my Halloween socks because I forgot to wear them on Halloween, so I'm getting their use now. Welcome to the vlog. Subscribe if you're new. Please, please, please follow all of my social medias. And now I'm gonna do some homework right now. This is a scary car wash. Oh, hey there. Hey there. Yeah, Van? Hey guys, we're now at a car wash and then we're cleaning Van's car. We just went through the inside and now we have to clean the seats.
Car wash. Car wash.
Car wash.
Car wash.
You spray the seats?
No, you don't wipe the seats.
Oh, you wipe this?
Yeah, what?
I don't know. I pay Cam to clean my car, bro. Look how dusty that stuff is.
Exactly, so we're cleaning it.
Oh yeah.
Totally didn't invite Katie to use her so we can get my car clean.
That's exactly why you invited me. He's like, let me invite Katie so she can clean my car. Okay, Gems. They're playing some bombs.
They got some bombs going on.
Katie's done. Where do I put it? Dirty towels. Look at this. It's a whole like claw machine. Ah! Vacuum. Yucky. Yes. So we are currently in the drive-thru line for Chick-Fil-A and it is extremely long. Wrapped all the way around twice. They're taking orders all the way on like the curb.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's
pretty bad. We're doing curbside pickup so we don't have to go all the way through the line. Oh, we're listening to Joji's new album and I have heard like no one talk about it, but I love Joji. I literally have his album poster like in my room. He makes beautiful music and it's definitely like this type of music that I like to listen to. So I'm putting Van on and we're listening to it.
Putting Van on?
Yes, I'm putting you onto his new album.
What did you want to say?
So let me know if you guys have listened to it and what's your favorite song. But we're gonna get some chickens and I'm so excited. Success. That took a little bit of a long time, but I got all my honey mustards and I will be eating all of them. Yeah, Van. Van gets a sandwich.
Yo, what? I got an extra chicken nugget.
Oh.
Let's go.
That's so funny.
That's a lot of chicken, bro. Why
and
not?
I get chicken nuggies. I am home and doing my laundry. I gotta go back to school tomorrow, so we gotta do some laundry. Put the Tide Pod. Boop. Normal start. We are making cookies for culinary class. You can't be loud and not be in it. Take a picture of me. We have to make a PowerPoint showing that we are making the cookies ourselves. This is my proof. Now let me take a picture of you.
No.
You have to make a PowerPoint too.
Okay, but I don't have to be in it.
Okay, then I'll just take a picture of it for you.
I thought we dropped earlier.
Now we're mixing my dry ingredients. These are sugar cookies, by the way, and I'm dyeing mine to color so they look different from Chase's because he's copying their recipe. Did Chef ask you what cookies you were making? He asked me. I was like, colorful sugar cookies, and he's like, those are gonna be good. I was like, okay, Chef.
Chef.
Cream together butter and sugar. We need a bigger bowl than that. I don't think this is softened. Chase's is literally hard.
Put it in the microwave for like 5 seconds.
If Chef is watching this, he's gonna fire us.
Yes, Chef.
Daddy, when we were younger, you were mine. You gotta cream it.
I'm creaming.
Is it just the butter and the sugar? Chase, start slow. That's not slow. That just doesn't look right. I think we chop it into small pieces. Okay, here's our wet and dry mixtures going in together.
This is gonna make a dough.
Yeah, that's just not looking too good.
Did you do the right recipe, Katie?
Yes, I did the right recipe. So here are my cookies. I dyed them pink and then we put sugar on top, but they haven't been cooked yet. Here's Chase's.
Mom put your cookie in my cookie.
Chase's look bad.
They look good.
Let me have this. I need to move mine. I like this one the best.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
That looks like a pimple.
Should I eat it?
Ew. So my cookies are done baking. They didn't turn out great. Hopefully good enough to get me an A on my culinary project because I did in fact work hard on them. I did do that. But it is now 5 o'clock and Jamie's coming to pick me up and we're gonna go to the Goodwill and go thrift shopping. She's been wanting to go thrifting all day and I'm like, okay, we can do that. Jamie's playing Uber Mom, so that's great. I just need to grab my monies and a mask and we're all good. My dad is watching the poll on the TV of the election. It's scary. You guys saw I got this mask in my last vlog and I'm gonna wear it today for the first time. It's by Maskable Official on Instagram. They sent it to me, so I figured why not bust it out. I'm gonna look so fire at the thrift store. I love the cow print. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to the thrift store soon, so yeah. Hey! How y'all doing? We're out of the Goodwill. That was kind of a fail. Jamie didn't find anything. I only found 2 things and I don't even know if they're that cute. And Jamie's gonna kill us while she's driving. But the sun is like setting. What time? It's literally 6. It's 6 and look how dark it is. Well, now we have to go to Petco to get Jamie's dog food. And then we go home. And then I see you tomorrow at school. So I just got my laundry out of the dryer and I'm gonna put all of this away. But I've been listening to the Impulsive podcast. I absolutely love the Impulsive podcast. I've listened to it forever. I love podcasts in general. And one of my dream career goals is to be on the Impulsive podcast. I just really like how well spoken they are in the commentary between all of them. And I love Logan Paul. I feel like he grew and changed as a person. So that's my little spiel on that. Fun fact, I always dump them out of my laundry bin, separate them, and then put them away. But that's what I'm doing for now. I got 2 things from the Goodwill that I will show you guys, but right now they're in the dryer. I flipped to the laundry, so they're drying right now, and then once they're done, I will show you guys. I think I'm gonna work out in a little while though, and then take a shower because I have school tomorrow. So it's now 9:15 and my thrifted clothes just got out of the washing machine and I just made a thrifting like vlog / haul on my TikTok, private TikTok. If you guys found my private TikTok, let me know. It's tagged in some of my main TikToks and sometimes it just pops up on y'all's For You page. It has 40,000 followers, so that's all you get to see. Maybe you can find it if you can, but that's my private TikTok. It's really fun over there. I post a lot of random stuff. But the 2 things that I got from the thrift store, it wasn't too great of a trip, but we also weren't there for long, but it's fine. It was still fun. I got this really pretty like mauve-y Nike tank top, workout top. It just has some mesh on the side right here, the Nike sign, and then I really liked the straps that say just do it, and it's a crossbody, like a racer back top. This will be perfect for me working out in the gym every single day. I love Nike tank tops. I got mine in a size medium and this was like $4 I think. And then the only other thing that I got was this really pretty orange zip up crew neck. I love orange and I love comfy clothes, and this was so soft. So it's just a pretty color and it's oversized. I have no idea the brand, but I really liked this like zip up collar look, so that's what I got. My total was like $10 or something. That's what I got from the thrift store. I had a lot of fun today making this vlog. I have my culinary cookies that I ended up making that I'm ready to take into my chef tomorrow to hopefully get a good grade on. I'm so excited for my new pieces and I had a really fun day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hey guys, it's Katie and I'm back. I realized that I've been vlogging and my vlogs have been so short recently and I'm just not okay with that. An 8-minute vlog for the vlog channel is not acceptable. The vlog channel videos I feel like need to be over 10 minutes always. So I was editing this video and I wanted to give you guys more content. It's been a lot of days. It is Sunday, November 8th and I was gonna post this video today. I might still post this video today. I don't know. You might get live Katie. It's 4:10 in the afternoon and I've had a pretty slow day. I got my hair braided by my friend Kathy yesterday and I took some Instagram pictures. I'm wearing this full orange outfit that I want to show you guys because it's so cute and I posted on Instagram today. Go check those pictures out because they're really funny and the caption is hilarious. So if you're watching this vlog, I would like you to go comment I like your cut, G, if you're watching this vlog on my recent Instagram picture. Okay, here's the fit though. It's so cutie. We are orange from our head all the way down to our pants, because not my toes. My shoes have orange in them too. I'm wearing this orange cropped tank from Shein. I know they're like canceled, but I got this a long time ago, so don't cancel me. Then these pants are thrifted. So many people ask me where they're from, but they're like these orange, loose, baggy, flowy pants, and I love them. This is my first time wearing them. They make the booty look good, yeah. I was wearing these custom Air Max 720s from Nike Nike, of course, and they're so cutie. Kendi Kicks on Instagram sent them to me. If you want all the fit details, it's tagged in my Instagram post, but yeah, I was wearing these. They're so cute and they match perfectly. I figured since I actually got dressed and put on like real clothes today that I should vlog a little bit more and add to this video. I don't have too much to talk about. I have school tomorrow, which really stinks. I don't want to go back to school, but I'm putting my jewelry back on, or I've been wearing these 2 bracelets just because I have to have something on my wrist. It feels naked without it. When I was taking pictures, it didn't really match the orange vibe, so I'm putting them back on now. Y'all saw this in my last vlog. Someone sent this to my PO box, and it's literally like a Caiti bracelet, custom, so talented. And this is just a scrunchie, or what is this called? Hair coil. I have not done anything today. I've been feeling really unmotivated recently in a lot of different aspects, in school, in YouTube, in working out, just a lot of different things. And of course I've still been pushing myself to get those things done and do those things, but again, it's just hard when you have like that feeling of not wanting to do it, but you know you have to. So I'm giving myself a break and just having a chill day. I've been going for a really long time. Also, I know I talked about my culinary cookies and I baked them in this video. I did end up getting a good grade on my culinary cookies, so thank you guys for baking with me. Chef told Chase that his cookies were better than mine when we literally used the same cookie recipe, so I don't know where I went wrong. Mine were pink. Like, I thought that would give me bonus points, but it just didn't work like that. We had our football game on Friday 2 days ago and we got beat. We have 2 more games and then we have to win 1 more to make it to the playoffs. We held our own in that game. It was 28-14. We didn't play too well, but it was still fun. And no, I did not do a cheer vlog for that one. I know you guys love cheer vlogs, but I don't want to oversaturate it on my main channel. So I think I might do them on my vlog channel soon. Maybe I'll do like 1 more on my main channel for the end of the season, or if we go to the playoffs, because that'd be pretty fun. Yeah, that's a few updates. I think I'm still gonna post this video today. I just wanted to kind of sit down and talk to you guys and give you a few life updates, I guess. And I wanted to make this video longer. I feel like people enjoy my longer vlogs, but I want to know what you guys think. Do you enjoy shorter vlogs, longer vlogs? What kind of content do you like to see in them? Do you like it when I run errands? Do you like it when I get my nails done? Do you like it when I just talk to you guys, when I show myself working out? What do you guys like to see in my vlogs? I would like to know. And of course, subscribe. It's so cool that we have 160,000 subscribers on my second channel. Like, I love you guys for that. And yeah, I guess that's all I wanted to say. I filmed an outro already, so I'll play that. If you're watching this, I'm posting it the same day that I'm filming it, so go comment on that Instagram picture. If you're new here, you should totally subscribe and follow all of my social medias, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next one. All right, peace in the Middle East.